On today's episode of Plumbing Gone Wrong, we're going to talk about sewage backups. I know this is going to be a little gross, so viewers, beware, it's about to get a little. Our goal today is to make sure that you don't end up like this guy, or that guy. If you have a sewage backup, it's important. Turn the water off and stop using everything immediately. Here's a quick story about something that happened to me. I walked in the home. Miss Jones was doing dishes. She had laundry running, and somebody was taking a shower upstairs. Miss Jones was baffled that water was just coming out of her drains. Just a little hint, if you use water and it goes down the drain and your main line is backed up, that water's going to come out of your toilet or your showers or somewhere into your home. Give us a call if you have a sewage backup and take advantage of our free camera inspection with any drain service. That way we can make sure that there's nothing wrong with that line and this never happens again.